VentoroPro.com delivers an outstanding and remarkably satisfying online shopping experience that truly exceeds expectations in every possible way, making it a platform that immediately earns trust and appreciation. From the very first visit, the website feels polished, modern, and thoughtfully designed, with an intuitive layout that allows users to browse effortlessly without feeling overwhelmed. Every section is well-structured, product categories are easy to navigate, and the overall flow of the site reflects a strong focus on user comfort and convenience. The product descriptions are detailed, clear, and informative, helping customers understand exactly what they are purchasing, which is a refreshing level of transparency that builds confidence and credibility. What truly stands out about VentoroPro.com is the quality of the products themselves. Each item feels carefully sourced and well-crafted, offering excellent performance, durability, and value for money. The ordering process is seamless and secure, with smooth checkout steps that make the entire experience stress-free and efficient. Shipping is impressively prompt, and products arrive neatly packaged with visible attention to safety and presentation, reinforcing the brand's commitment to professionalism. Another major highlight is the customer service, which feels genuinely customer-focused rather than automated or impersonal. Queries are handled quickly, respectfully, and with a clear desire to help, leaving customers feeling valued and supported throughout their journey. Beyond just selling products, VentoroPro.com creates a complete and reassuring shopping experience by combining reliability, consistency, and high standards across every interaction. The overall impression is that of a brand that truly cares about customer satisfaction, delivers on its promises, and consistently maintains quality at every touchpoint. Whether you are a first-time visitor or a returning customer, VentoroPro.com offers a dependable, enjoyable, and premium shopping experience that makes it easy to recommend with confidence to anyone looking for excellence, trustworthiness, and long-term value in an online store.